dear student. Today I'll discuss one of the most another important topic from statistics, that is called variance and standard deviation. Now try to understand the definition of variance and standard deviation. Basically, variance is the average of the squared difference of each data point from the mean. And what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So from here it is clear, if you want to find the standard deviation, you need to identify variance at first and after that standard deviation. Now try to understand with some standard examples. Now, so there are different types of variation you have. Now the type 1, this is your type 1. This is the type 1. Variance and standard deviation for individual data. Individual type 1, variance and standard deviation for individual data. Now question is, here I have considered one question. Find the variance and standard deviation of the following data. Suppose you have this data set. Now after getting this data set, then what you do? You have to create this column. Okay. Calculate this column. Now your requirement is x square. Why it is required? Already you know the formula for variance. If you have individual data, variance equals to summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square. Clear? So here you need to identify what is your x square, summation all data summation, another one summation x. So these are the x value. So here what is n? N is equals to number of data. How many number of data you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here n is equals to 8. Now this is your x. Now this is your x square. 16 square, that is 259. 18 square 324. 19 square 361. 17 square 289. 21 square 441. 24 square 576. 22 square 484. 23 square 529. Okay, so now you need to calculate what is your summation x. Summation x and summation x square. Summation x, it is coming, if I add all together, it is coming 160, and if I add all together of x square, it is coming 3, 2, 6 and 0. Please check. If I add all together, it is coming 3260. Okay, now if I substitute the value, it is coming 3260 by n, means 8 minus 160 by 8 whole square. Okay, if I simplify, it is coming 407.8, and here it is coming 400. So if I simplify 407 point, it will be, if I simplify, it is coming 5. Okay, now if I simplify, it is coming 7.5. Now standard deviation, that is SD, is coming square root under of variance is equals to root under of 7.5. The result is coming 2.936. You may write 2.94. Okay, so this is all about the process to find variance and standard deviation for a individual data. For a individual data. I think it is clear to everyone. Clear? If I have individual data, first you need to write down x and then corresponding x square. The how to decide that you should calculate x square from the formula it is showing. Okay, so this is all about the process. Now I am going to discuss the second type. Please write down. The second type is variance and standard deviation for individual data with frequency. Individual data with frequency. What does it mean? Where you can see the data of value of x repeats. So here I have considered one question for this purpose. The question is find the variance and standard deviation of the following data. So here x the data and the f indicates the frequency of that value. Okay, now try to understand how to solve the question if I have individual data with frequency. Now I have considered this. This is the question. So these are the table. Now again you are having some question in your mind, sir, how to decide that I should construct this 5 columns. How to decide that? Is very easy. So already you know the formula for variance. So from where I have decided that I should create 5 columns. Okay, now try to understand. So variance formula is variance is equals to summation f x square by summation f minus summation f x by summation f whole square. This is the formula. Now jot down all values. So from here it is clear that our requirement to find the value of summation fx and summation fx square. That's why we have created this column. Okay, now you write down x value 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. I think it is clear to everyone. X f is coming 7, 10, 15, 10 and 6. Okay, now x square, that is 9, 64, 13 square, 169, 18 square, 324, 23 square, 529. I think it is clear to everyone. Now you calculate fx, f into x, that is 21, then 80, 8 into 10, 13 into 15, 195, 18 into 10, 180, and 6 into 23, 138. Okay, now f into x square means f into x square, it is coming 63, 7 into 9, 640, and 15 into this, 15 into 169 is coming 2535, and 10 into this, that is coming 3240, and 6 into 529 is coming 313174. Okay, now our requirement to find summation f, summation fx, summation fx square, correct? Now you calculate how much is coming. Now if I add all together of f, it is coming 48. Please check it, please check. it is coming 48. If I add altogether of fx, it is coming 614. If I add altogether of fx square, it is coming 9662. Now you know everything, just you substitute here, that is coming 9662 divided by summation f, which is your 48, minus 614 divided by 48 whole square. So if I use calculator, it is coming 201.29, minus if I use calculator, it is coming 163.63. Now if I simplify, it is coming 37.66. It is coming 37.66. So this is the variance of this given data set. Okay, now standard deviation. Standard deviation is equals to square root under of variance. So it is coming root under 37.66. Using calculator, it is coming 6.136, or you may write 6 point, after round off it is coming 6.14. I think it is clear to everyone how to find the variance and standard deviation if I have individual data with frequency. Individual data with frequency. Okay, just try to understand part by part, it will help you a lot. It is clear? Okay, now I'm going to switch to the next, that is a third type, variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard deviation for group data with frequency. Group data with frequency, that is, that it means the interval will be given. That means interval will be given, and already you know, if I have interval, first you need to check whether this interval is continuous or not. If it is not, so already I have one video how to convert not continuous to continuous, you can check it. Okay, so here the given problem is continuous type, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. There is no discontinuity. There is a standard problem I have considered here. Okay, now try to understand this. So first you write down whatever the information you have, you write down. Then you need to write mid value. Mid value. Mid value, that is m. Okay, so mid value of this 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10 divided by 2, it is coming 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is coming 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, it is coming 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, it is coming 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, it is coming 45. Now I think it is clear to everyone how to find the mid value of this. Here I have considered mid value as a m. Now our objective to identify the value, it is fm. So here what is f? So here you should consider the number of students, that is you consider as a f. Okay, this is your f, number of students, and here m. So you should calculate f of fm. Okay, and then you calculate m square, and then you write down fm square. Is it clear to all of you? First you calculate fm and then m square and fm. Now if I calculate the Fm, that is coming 5 into 1, 45, 7 into 25, 175, 5 into 35, 175, 4 into 45, 180. Please check. Now m square, what you have m, please square it. That is 25, then 15 square means 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225, 45 square 2025. Clear to everyone? Now fm square, what is your fm square? Multiply with f into m square. It is coming 25, that is 1 into 25, that 3 into 225, 3 into 225 is coming 675, 7 into 625, it is coming 4375, and 5 into 1225, it is coming 6125. Now 4 into 2025, it is coming 8100. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now our objective to calculate summation f, summation fm, and summation fm square. Now if I add all together, our summation f is coming 20, summation fm is coming 580, and summation fm square is coming, if I add all together, it is coming 19300. Okay, now you write down what about the formula. Same process will follow. Variance is equals to summation fm square divided by summation f minus summation fm by summation f whole square. Okay, summation whole square. So ultimately summation fm, it is coming 19300 divided by 20 minus 580 by 20 whole square. So ultimately it is coming 965 minus 841. If I simplify, it is coming, then ultimately if I subtract it, it is coming 4, then 2, then 1. So this is the variance. Now if I want to calculate the standard deviation of it, so ultimately it is coming variance of this, ultimately square root under of 124, the value is coming 11.135. So this is the process if I have group data with frequency. Okay, so total statistical data can be classified into three types. One is individual data, second one is individual data with frequency, and third one is group data with frequency. If I have group data, before start any solution of a question, first you have to make sure that your interval is continuous type, means there is no break. So here already you know there is no break, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. There is no break. So all formulas based on continuous type of data. So if there is any break, that means discontinuity is there, you need to change continuous form and then find the solution. Okay. So please try to solve, after getting this knowledge, please try to solve at least one question by yourself based on this concept. If you can solve, if you can see your result is coming, that means your concept is absolutely perfect or clear. Okay, and try to share this video information to other friends also, so that they can also get some benefit from this lecture video. And please do subscribe, so that your support, subscription means you are giving support, you have checked it and you have liked it. Okay, and this liking is very very important for me. So if part is not clear, please write some comments so that I can rectify and I can upgrade myself and I can give you the best from my side. Thank you everyone. Try to solve at least one question based on this video. Thank you. Thank you.